Lighting is terrible. But alright, so I picked these up. They're those one-piece headlights. And I know what you're saying. Oh my god, those are so rice. Why would you buy one-piece headlights? What I'm going to do is attempt to cut this piece off and run the regular corner light. Because this section here in the middle, it looks pretty cool. And it's really not that bad. And the housing is black and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is try to trim the end off and use it as the regular style headlights. I just have to, you know, glue this piece back, you know, when I cut it. Like, glue the end so no water gets in or whatever. Maybe fiberglass or something, I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, it doesn't seem like it'll be too hard. Plus, all the 3 sections are separate. So, I should be able to do it. Which I'm probably going to try doing tomorrow. Because it's nighttime right now. So, yeah. You guys will see if it works or if it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it will work. I don't see why it wouldn't. But yeah, and I've never seen anybody do this before. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying it out. Plus, this is only 25 bucks. So what can I say? I mean, I've wasted $25 on lots of things many times. So if I wasted 25 bucks again, oh well. So I took out the light. Well, the car headlight, plug them into this one. It's a plug and play, luckily. I didn't do the headlight yet because I still have to, like, you know, cut this thingy out. So what I'm gonna do is tape off this thingy and then measure it, and then basically like just make like a little drawing thingy of this and then impose it on that, cut it out, and then yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do it the best I can. It's not gonna be perfect, I already know that. So yeah. Alright, so I taped it off and I'm gonna cut a little less than I have to, but yeah, I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know, this might not work, but I mean, guess I just have to try it and see. Alright, so one of them is blue, but I don't really care. I just hope that this thing is brighter than the lights I had before. But for a quick little DIY, until I get actual like depot halos or whatever, this will have to do. So I'm going to test it by turning on the car, and then you guys will see, and I'll also see. So give me a second. Alright, let's go see. And then boom. Looks okay. Although one of them's blue. I may tint these headlights yellow, but I guess we'll just have to see. Anyhow, they work. For a DIY that I just cut up and just threw on the car, they're pretty good. Granted, the fitment isn't perfect because they don't have like the little clips for the corner lights and stuff like that. Because you see, like, it has like a little gap and stuff, but oh well. Black housing, and when the lights are on, just looks normal. So yeah, that's really not that bad for a quick little DIY. Like, that's really not bad. Like, $25, and I got this. And I saw about 3 sets of these online on Facebook Marketplace, and I believe one on Craigslist, and I'm pretty sure there's a couple used sets on eBay. So I'm sure you could find these for about 50 bucks used. And if you guys can definitely do this a lot better. And they come with ballasts for the halos and everything like that. I'm not gonna bother wiring those up because I'm gonna spend probably like 120 bucks on some actual headlights, but I just wanted to see if this worked. Like, since I had my old E36, I've always wanted to see if this would work. Lo and behold, it does. Wow, I'm really impressed, because this actually does not look bad. Like, if I did it clean and took my time, this would have been a whole lot better, but I'm really impressed. So if I got like one of those air guns and blew out like the dust in there, it would be a whole lot better. So I probably will do that when I, what do you call it, take the tape off and hot glue gun it, so no like no water gets in there, because it's like no water is gonna get in there now, but you know, just to do it a little more permanent. But I'm pretty sure by the time I even get around to doing that, I'll have the other headlights. So yeah, that's the end of this video, because I really don't have anything else to do, because that's literally all I was doing, and to see if that worked, and it does. So the next video, I'm probably going to be restoring the plastic headlights. I may even like buy some cheap halos and throw in there just to see if I can do it, but never know. Actually, I probably will, like, just because, like, yeah, I probably will do that, because I'm pretty sure they cost like 20 bucks, and then I just have to put these in the oven, open them up, and then put the halos in there and do whatever. So yeah, I definitely could do that. Like, well, I guess you guys will see if I end up doing that in one of the next upcoming videos, because I'm just going to be doing a whole bunch of like stuff that I never got to do on my last T36 that I always wanted to do but just never like cared. So yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next video.